Here we are going to about the unseen passage. As I have told you before also in the videos, the unseen passage gives as a paragraph in the question paper. Then you have to write down the pronoun, the opposite words. If they ask any question answers, you have to able to write down all those things that they ask us to do. So we have to be thorough with the paragraph. So I am going to read the paragraph. Once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother in a sand bank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Now, my dears, said old Mrs. Rabbit one morning, you may go into the fields or down in the lane, but don't go into Mr. Jos's garden. Now, run along and don't get into mischief. I am going out. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and went through the wood to the baker's shop. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. These are the paragraph I am going to give you. From this paragraph, if they are asking you to write down the pronoun, the pronouns comes in this chapter. There, they, you, I and her. This all comes in this small paragraph, the pronouns. The opposite words comes her, his, down, up, big, small, go, come. If they are asking the verbs to find out from this paragraph, you have to write down lived, set, run, took. These are all about the verbs in this paragraph. If they are asking the questions, some questions it can come as a fill in the blanks or optional, or in the sentence you have to write down. So you have to write down. For example, I am giving you name of the 4 rabbits. What are the names? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. The names are the 4 rabbits. Where did they live? They lived in the sandbank. What advice did Mr. Rabbit give to the 4 little rabbits? Not to go to the Mr. George's garden. That is advice Mrs. Rabbit had given to the 4 rabbits. Then where did Mrs. Rabbit go? The rabbit went to the baker's shop. So these are the questions or the activities they will be asking in the questions. Any questions if they come can be any another form or any another unseen passage. If they are giving, you should able to write the answers by reading the paragraph thoroughly and understand it. So write down in your notebook and study well. Thank you.